Eductek Imports. Quality products, trusted delivery. Bringing everyday comforts to you.
So I made this professional advertisement video for my mini importation business. Do you know you can actually be making money from these kinds of professional advertisement videos? If you want to learn how to make money from these kind of videos, stay tuned to the end of this particular video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. The name still remains the same, and I was Martin, the owner of Eductek.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money by creating professional advertisement videos for your clients using Google Flow TV. This method is very simple, beginner friendly, and you can make money right away from your phone and your laptop. The Google Flow TV is an AI platform that allows you to generate professional videos like advertisement videos, product videos, businesses videos, and others without you learning editing. All you need is a prompt, and this AI tool does the rest of the work for you. Every business around the globe, whether being physical business or online business, needs to advertise its goods and services in order to get a lot of customers to patronize its goods and services. And most of these business owners cannot create these videos to advertise their products. So you can fill up this gap and do the job for them and later charge them for the service. Alright, let me show you one of the videos I generated for my clients.
Welcome to Husty Phones and Accessories, your trusted destination for the latest and most affordable smartphones. At Husty Phones and Accessories, we offer quality phones from top brands, fast, reliable, and built to last. Whether you're looking for the newest iPhone, Samsung, Infinix, enjoy smooth performance, clear cameras, and powerful batteries, all at unbeatable pricing. Visit Husty Phones and Accessories today and experience real value for your money.
For quality you can trust, choose Husty Phones and Accessories, where great phones meet great deals.
Contact Husty Phones and Accessories on 057273417 for all your phone deals.
Now you see, this video is very of high quality and professional. In fact, my client enjoyed the video and he was glad and promised me that he would get me a lot of customers or clients to do advertisement videos for them. So if you want to learn how to do it, let's go straight onto my laptop screen. I'll show you how to generate these kind of videos. If you haven't liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to this video. Now this is my laptop screen. I will go straight to my web browser and open it. Now that my web browser has opened, all right, so before you start the work, make sure you know all the details about your client business. Ask the name of the business, where the business is located, and know the kind of service the business renders. Okay, so let's say your client is operating phone shop. You know, for phone shop they sell phones and accessories, so you know how to go by it. Okay, and you also need ChatGPT. When you get to know all the details about the business, send it to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate a very detailed prompt for you to send it to Google Flow TV to generate an advertisement video, and it will do it. Now let me open new tab and then go to the search bar and type Google Flow TV, and then you press enter. Now when it opens like this, click on the first link. So we can open new tab and then open our ChatGPT. Me, I have my ChatGPT on my dashboard, so I'll just open it from my dashboard already, and then this is the Google Flow TV. It is still loading. The network is not favorable, so you forgive me for that. Now, as you can see, this is the interface of Google Flow TV. It is very nice. It is a lot of variety of videos that they show on the interface. Okay, now you come to this side. We have create with flow. So you have to click here, create with Flow, and it will open for you. Me, I have an account with it already, so automatically it has opened my account. Let's say you are not having an account, you have to go and click on create an account, where my account, it will be shown somewhere here, the right corner on the screen, it will be shown there. So you click at that place to create an account. Now I have a chat with ChatGPT. I'll open it, and then the network is not favorable, so you forgive me for that. Now let's tell ChatGPT that please so let's read the prompt that I gave to ChatGPT. Please draft a detailed script for Google Flow TV to generate an advertisement video for a client who is a car dealer. He sells both new and used cars. His business name is Eductek Imports. Now let's see what ChatGPT said. Here is a full detailed, ready to paste script you can send directly to Google Flow TV to generate an advert video for your client's car dealership business, Eductek Imports. This script includes voiceover, video directions, scenes, structures, and brands mentioned in 5 minutes. So this is the script that ChatGPT was generated for me. It is very, very nice one, detailed one. So what I have to do is select these. Okay, let me just select this and copy it. Okay, let's send it to Google Flow. So here you click on new project. Let's click on new project. Now it has opened, and it is asking us to paste the prompt here. You know, Flow TV also allows you to upload an image. Let's say the logo of the business, you can also attach it to your script. So let's paste the script. Let's ask it to generate it. Let's go back to ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT separated the scenes. Okay, let me add ChatGPT to combine all the scenes. So Google Flow TV is still doing the work. Now, I told ChatGPT, please combine all the scenes and simplify it. Okay, I think we should use this one instead. So ChatGPT has combined all the scenes and made it simple. Let's copy that one too. I think let's copy the first part. Let's copy everything. So just 8 seconds. As you can see, because the scenes were separated, that is why. Okay, now let's generate another one. Let's combine all the scenes. And as we can see, because we are using free version, it only generates 8 seconds. So when you ask ChatGPT to create or draft the prompt for you, you can copy the prompt bit by bit. Okay, so it may be first 3 lines, or yes, you can do it that way. You can copy the prompt bit by bit and then be pasting it on Google Flow TV to generate the videos for you. So after that, you download all the videos, move to CapCut, and then combine all the videos to make it one. Okay, it is simple. Now let's wait for these results. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's watch it. And also make sure you add the contact of the business owner in the prompt so that the customer will be satisfied with the advertisement video you've generated for him or her. Okay, so now that we have these two videos, we can now move to CapCut and then combine all the videos and then send it to the customer. I'm sure the customer will like it because the advertisement video that I showed you, it is very, very professional, and the way the customer is very happy with it. If you go by this method, your customers will love it, and then will give you a lot of customers or a lot of clients to work for. Okay, this is very, very great opportunity that you have to grab. You can when you reach out to the customer, this is how you can approach the customer. You can ask the customer you can say, hi, I can create a professional advertisement video for your business. If you don't mind, I will give you a free sample for you to have a look at it. Okay, so if the person gives you the go ahead, you can go to ChatGPT, give it instruction to give you a prompt. Okay, send the prompt to Google Flow TV to generate 8 seconds video for you. You can show it to the customer will be impressed of it. Okay, or you can generate about 3 different videos or 3 separate videos, and then go to CapCut, combine all the videos, show it to the customer will be impressed, and then ask you to continue with the work. When you are done, you can charge the customer not less than $5, okay, and you will make money from it. Trust me, this is a great opportunity that we have to grab. Thank you very much for sticking tuned with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until we meet again, stay blessed, and do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified by YouTube. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Bye bye.